Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Underground Railroad and how it helped free enslaved people. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Underground Railroad an actual railroad with trains? No, it was a secret network of routes and safe houses. Did enslaved people use the Underground Railroad to escape to freedom? Yes, it helped them reach free states in Canada. Were the people who helped called passengers? No, the helpers were called conductors. The escapees were passengers. Did Harriet Tubman help over 70 people escape slavery? Yes, she was one of the most famous conductors. Was it safe and easy to escape using the Underground Railroad? No, it was very dangerous and required great courage. Did the Underground Railroad operate only in the South? No, it stretched through the North and even into Canada. Were code words and signals used to stay hidden? Yes, secret communication helped avoid capture. Did the Underground Railroad free millions of people? No, it helped an estimated 100,000 people escape. Was Harriet Tubman called the Moses of her people? Yes, because she led many to freedom. Is the Underground Railroad an important symbol of human rights? Yes, it represents bravery, hope, and the fight for freedom. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.